Oh, I started drumming long time ago when I was kids. I was born in a music family. Beginning drum big. This called djembe. Djembe have three different sounds. We got bass sound, lower sound, and higher sound. Any rhythm you're playing, that three sound will be there. First sound is the center of the drum with flat hand. This is the first sound of the djembe drum. Second sound, edge of the drum, 4-finger closed. The third one, same place, 4-finger open. Anybody you are beginner, you have to start with this rhythm called yankadi because it's very easy and slow and sweet. So that's for the beginner people never drum before. If you drum before, you know the drum sound. If you know what I'm talking about.